What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA-LAWYER, aka the dashcam lawyer. So I'm reviewing people's videos frequently, whether they're the ones in the accident or they actually have a dashcam video of an accident that they witnessed. Feel free to send yours in as well. We're going to be doing this on a weekly basis. I want to educate all of you. I want to tell you the laws behind the video that you send me and help you prevent being in a situation like this yourself. So send your video, 1-800-FLA-LAWYER.com. We'll have my email address and we can get it uploaded, and I'll review your video and mention your name. You can submit your video to legal@1-800-FLA-LAWYER.com. legal@1-800-FLA-LAWYER.com. So for a free consultation, if you've got a question, need legal advice, have a car accident, give me a call at 1-800-FLA-LAWYER, or you can book something online on our website, 1-800-FLA-LAWYER.com.